Ha?
Kayo po, madam.
But,
Negosyante po kayo, madam sponsor.
But it
Would you
doesn't
do that?
solve the legal problem of
I'm not talking about madam sponsor. I'm not talking about the legal problem.
But in the end, you have to be legally correct.
I know.
For a businessman, everything should be legally correct.
Well, some shrewd businessman maybe. Yung mga tusong businessman maybe.
Hindi.
Would you like us to bring Masungi here? Or even make a phone call? Tawagin Masungi.
Kaya po na mo.
Would somebody call Masungi? Right here, right now. Mag-alamanan kung nagsinungaling. DNR o Masungi. Kung gusto mo, magpaano pa tayo? Lie detector test.
Where?
Polygraph test para malaman kung sino sinungaling. Pwede bang paki-identify po, Madam Sponsor, kung sino po yung dalawa sa picture na binilugan? This was an event in
Wala na
Rizal.
ano sa angkol, nauli. Nauli na sa angkol. Ha? Hindi naman.
Si Governor Inales.